welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebechi here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video I want to show you how to make a very delicious, fantastic Valentine meal for your spouse, for your lover, for your boyfriend, or for someone you care about. It mustn't be your lover or anything, but for someone you actually care about. So we'll be making use of yam for this Valentine meal. We're making use of yam, bell peppers. I'll be making use of the red and yellow bell pepper. Then I'll be making use of beef as my protein of the day. You can make use of any protein of your choice, like chicken or turkey, maybe seafood as well. But just make sure any part of the chicken you want to make use of for this Valentine meal should be a fleshy part of that particular protein. Okay, so I'm making use of protein of beef for this Valentine meal. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, after watching this video. Thanks for stopping by. So this is my meat that has been chopped into little bits, as you can see. So I'm going to throw it into the pot. I'm going to be adding the chopped onions and salt. So throw in the meat into the pot. Add your chopped red onions, grinded smoked pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice, bouillon cube, salt to taste, and garlic powder for that unique garlic aroma and taste. I added a little quantity of water to the meat so that it will not get burnt. I'm going to stir and mix everything together. I'm going to cover this meat to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes because the meat is cut into little sizes. It's going to be properly cooked by then. Let's cut the yam. I've already cut out the pieces of or quantity of yam I would like to make or to prepare for this dish. Now I want to show you how to cut it into cube-like shape because the physical appearance of this meal matters a lot. You want the pieces of yam to come out in a cube-like form. So now this is how to do it. It comes out in cube-like shape like so. So I've sliced the bell peppers. Now let's check on the meat. It's been over 15 minutes now and the meat is properly cooked. The next stage of this lover's meal is to fry the yam, the diced cube-like yam. Add the quantity of oil that you are sure is going to cover the yam when you throw it into the oil. Sprinkle salt on the yam. Make sure it gets to every part of the yam pieces. When the oil is hot enough, pour the yam into the oil. Check the yam at interval until it's properly fried. So add a little oil to your dried pot, your plain pot. Add a little bit of onions. This onion helps give a unique taste to your oil and to the meat we are going to fry next. This is the boiled beef. So this is just it. Stir for some time. Then add the remaining stock. Just a tiny little bit of stock. It's not even up to 3 tablespoons. Just add it and mix everything together. I'm adding paprika for a pop of color. Now I'm going to add the fried yam. Mix everything together properly. So it's time to add the sliced bell peppers. After adding it, allow it to cook for 60 seconds, please not more than 60 seconds. Then you take it down. Our lovers' Valentine meal is ready. So let's dish some out. This Valentine lovers meal is so delicious, like once you eat it, you can't get enough of it. Thanks for watching my video. I'm super grateful. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and give us a thumbs up for our effort, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.